What's up, traders? I'm diving into the live results of the Aimax Pro V1, a highly recommended AA that's taking the Forex world by storm. Here's what you need to know. This beast delivered a jaw-dropping 153,662.28% gain, with a daily growth of 1.99% and a monthly return of 80.87%. That's a massive $307,325 in profit. And here's the kicker. It only has a 2.66% drawdown. It is optimized to trade the Dow Jones pair on M15 timeframe. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, you can start with just $100 minimum equity, making this perfect for traders at any level. While it's normally priced at $499, Forex AMR is offering it for only $25. Let's check it in MT4. Contact us on Telegram for further details.